In front of me is OPPO A57S, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down just a bit. Now click on Connection and Sharing. Over here, scroll down again, select Print section, and from here you can click on Default Print Service right away. And wait! Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you wish to use different print service though, you need to disable this one by tapping on this switcher next to it. Then click on the back button and tap on Add Print Service. Now download the best one for you, in my case HP one. And when it's ready, click on the back button twice. Then click on your service and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!